This is a tumble dryer, WMB Beko. I'm removing the heater, get another one in, and I'm going to release the mechanism using this spacer. Whoops, let's whack it a bit more. I know it'll go. I'll have to seat this over here for a minute and whack it properly. Done it. Unfortunately, I couldn't show you it in action because it's just me here, but as you can see, I've pushed it right in. This will release the fitting on the inside. It should be possible to get that's pretty loose already. Get a screwdriver there, that should then release easiest pry. That's the way to do it.